Castor oil before bed transforms your body overnight. Last winter, chronic joint pain kept me awake for weeks. Nothing helped. Not pills, not creams, not expensive treatments. Then my neighbor, an elderly nurse, suggested something unusual. She handed me a small bottle of castor oil and said, "Try this before bed tonight." What happened over the next month completely changed my understanding of natural healing. Within 3 nights, my sleep improved dramatically. My skin looked different. My digestion felt smoother. Today, I want to share what 99% of people don't know about this ancient remedy that's been hiding in plain sight. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid found nowhere else in nature. When applied topically before sleep, it penetrates deep into tissues and activates healing processes that work best during rest periods. The National Center for Biotechnology Information confirms that ricinoleic acid has powerful anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Here's what actually happens when you use castor oil before bed, backed by research and my personal experience. Joint pain relief became my first discovery. Ricinoleic acid reduces inflammation at the cellular level. A study in phytotherapy research showed significant pain reduction in arthritis patients using castor oil packs. I massage 1 tablespoon into my knees and shoulders before bed. The warming sensation signals increased blood flow to affected areas. Sleep quality improved within the first week. Castor oil applied to the abdomen activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting deeper rest. Research in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine found that abdominal castor oil application increased lymphatic drainage during sleep. I apply in gentle circular motions around my navel 30 minutes before bed. Skin transformation surprised me most. Castor oil's molecular structure allows deep penetration, delivering nutrients while you sleep. The International Journal of Molecular Sciences published findings showing castor oil promotes collagen synthesis and reduces oxidative stress. I apply a thin layer to my face and hands nightly. Morning skin feels softer and looks more radiant. Digestive improvements happen gradually but consistently. Castor oil stimulates lymphatic circulation in the abdomen, supporting natural detoxification processes. Traditional Ayurvedic medicine has used castor oil for digestive health for over 4,000 years. The gentle abdominal massage before bed became part of my routine. Constipation issues that plagued me for months resolved naturally. Hair growth accelerated beyond my expectations. Ricinoleic acid improves scalp circulation and provides deep conditioning. Dermatology journals report that castor oil's omega fatty acids nourish hair follicles and prevent breakage. I massage 1 teaspoon into my scalp twice weekly before bed. New growth appeared within 6 weeks, and existing hair became noticeably thicker. Wound healing speeds up dramatically with nighttime application. Castor oil creates an optimal healing environment while promoting cellular regeneration. The Wound Repair and Regeneration Journal documented faster healing times with castor oil treatment. I apply directly to minor cuts or scratches before covering with bandages. Healing occurs noticeably faster than without treatment. Lymphatic system activation occurs naturally during sleep with castor oil packs. The lymphatic system processes toxins and supports immune function most effectively during rest. Edgar Case readings, now supported by modern research, emphasized castor oil's lymphatic benefits. I place oil-soaked flannel over my abdomen weekly for deeper detoxification. Proper application technique maximizes benefits. Use cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil for best results. Warm the oil slightly between your palms before application. Massage gently in circular motions, allowing full absorption. Start with small amounts. 1 teaspoon covers large areas effectively. Timing matters for optimal results. Apply 30 to 60 minutes before sleep to allow penetration without staining bedding. Wear old clothing or use towels to protect sheets. The oil continues working throughout the night as your body naturally repairs and regenerates. Quality varies significantly between brands. Choose organic, cold-pressed castor oil without additives or preservatives. Jamaican black castor oil and Indian castor oil both offer excellent therapeutic properties. Avoid processed versions that lack beneficial compounds. Patch testing prevents allergic reactions. Apply small amounts to your inner wrist and wait 24 hours before full use. Rare allergic reactions can occur, though castor oil is generally well tolerated. Discontinue use if redness or irritation develops.